you've seen these two padlocks before. I'm going to show you these two. First, this one's an American padlock. There's its logo. I'm not sure if it's an authentic American padlock, cause like it's made in Taiwan. And when I received it, it came with only one key. Open it up right before your eyes. This is what it looks like unlocked. Now it's time to spin it, or at least try. Oh! Fail. Nope. There's that. And there's this Testrite padlock that I received, and it's also from Taiwan. Now, it came with six copies of the same key. Literally 6. I'm only going to use this one. Open it right before your eyes. This is what it looks like unlocked. Now we'll try to do the same thing. There's that. And of course have this master padlock. Here's what it looks like unlocked. This padlock just does not want to spin for whatever reason. You may wonder why I did that. It's because of this circle that you can see. That's a cover. But see if we can spin it. Fail. Decent. And of course, have this, the memorial padlock. This is actually the copy of the original key. And I got this on the 24th of August in the year 2019. But the padlock itself I purchased on Memorial Day in the year 2018. Now for more information on this padlock, see Overdue Memorial Padlock in the description. Here's what it looks like unlocked. Now, we'll see. I'll try and spin it. I'm gonna hold the camcorder. Hocus focus. Nice. Now let's see if we can try and spin all four. Of course, starting with this, since so far it seems to spin the longest. Too rough of a start. This one will fall. Ooh! And this one wins. So, that being said, until next time, drive safely.